In today's competitive world, business solutions must be more flexible, versatile, economic and effective to deliver and compete. The company delivering such solutions must have long-term planning and meticulous approach towards deliverables towards its customers. Webtec, engineering excellence personified. The journey of Webtec started in 1998 at a very small facility with 10 employees. And today, Webtec has 5 manufacturing plants in Faridabad with more than 700 employees and catering to a wide range of industries with a vision of becoming market leader with a positive approach of providing complete engineering solutions under one roof. Webtec is an ISO 9001-2008 certified company and some divisions are TS 16949-2009 certified for automotive parts manufacturing. Today, Webtec provides latest solutions in printing machines, packaging machines, engineering services like jigs, fixtures, assembly line automation with robotic fixtures, CNC machining, fabrication and solar power solutions. Team. Technically qualified and dedicated team ensures all the products and services are delivered as per the Webtec's policy of customer first. Most of the employees are with the company for more than 10 years and Webtec ensures they are updated with the latest technologies and market trends by regular trainings and conferences. A real mix of young and experienced team ensures a balance for consistent performance. The design department is equipped with state-of-the-art designing facilities including latest computers and softwares for computer-aided designing and computer-aided manufacturing like SolidWorks, Unigraphics, Sold Edge, etc. to work in 3D and 2D models to design and create solutions as per the specific requirements of the customers. The experienced team combined with this facility ensures any solution for the customers as per the requirement in most effective way. Quality reflects experience. Right from beginning, Webtec has believed that quality cannot be substituted for anything else and has invested in latest quality inspection systems including CMM, Coordinate Measuring Machine, up to 3 meters by 2 meters by 1.6 meters with 3D CAD comparing software of PCDI Mill. Remote testing using flexible ferro arm to test any part at any place required, with all probing system from Rensaw, a leading company in the industry to ensure quality and consistency. The department is also equipped with digital testing equipment and conventional measuring tools and a dedicated and qualified team which directly reports to the managing director to ensure all the products are as per the international standards. Infrastructure. Webtec's manufacturing facility is equipped with latest state-of-the-art computer-aided machining operations like horizontal machining centers, HMC, vertical machining centers, VMC, CNC turning centers, grinding machine and general machinery, all brand new, imported from Haas, USA, or purchased from leading manufacturers from India and other countries. These machines are all equipped with latest computerized controls for accurate and consistent machining of parts. The manufacturing facility's versatility enables Webtec to handle any type of complex parts like 3D profiling up to 3 meters by 2 meters size and circular jobs by indexing, among many other works possible. Along with computerized machinery, Webtec's manufacturing facility is also equipped with a vast range of conventional tool-room machinery like jig boring machines, EDM, tool and cutter grinders, cylindrical grinding, etc. All these machines are equipped with DRO for accurate machining, material handling and power backup. Webtec has facilities to stock and handle any type of raw materials with own stock area and plasma cutting machine to cut sheets up to 16 meters by 5 meters as per requirement. All manufacturing areas are equipped with relevant OHC and forklifts for easy handling of material of all weights, sizes and shapes. Introduction to divisions. In printing, Webtec provides specialized equipment for printing labels, stationery, security printing and paper converting. In the automotive sector, Webtec provides customized solutions for welding and assembly line automation like robotic fixtures, special purpose machines, multiple spot welders, etc., and components like CNC turning parts and sheet metal fabrication. In packaging, Webtec has a wide range of packaging solutions to handle different materials like powders, liquids and chips, etc. Looking at the future and to conserve environment, Webtec has invested into new technologies like solar power and wind power. Customers. Some of the leading customers include Maruti Suzuki, Hero Motorcycles, JCB Limited, High-Tech Print Systems, Paperscript UK, SRF Polymers Limited, etc.